So PIONER is the project where we look into giving a UAV ability to land on any arbitrary surface during its mission. So the key innovation of our solution is that it's relatively cheap. It's a very simple non-mechanical system, so that it doesn't use any battery during landing, so it maximizes the mission time of the drone. So there were some concepts before, similar concept, but none of it as energy efficient and as simple as what we proposed and work as many surfaces as what we did. So right now the UAV deployments can be quite stressful and nerve-wracking, right? Because you don't know what you're flying into. You cannot stop. Like once you're in the air, you just have to keep flying, right? So with our technology, they can just land, kind of take a breath and just say, okay, what do we do next? What's the best move? So it should allow them to complete the mission much more easily, and also we have give them the ability to inspect something for prolonged periods of time, right? So you can just land somewhere, look at something for a long time, and then you know, observe it for hours instead of minutes. So we have made some progress with more advanced design. We have also introduced aspect of autonomy, so we also try to make it easier for the operators to use. We are very happy where this project is, and as a matter of fact, we are looking to turn it into a commercial product. So I think it went very well for us.